Hi, I'm Andrea from Boundary Jansen, and today we are going to bake a Peperkoek cake, a Dutch traditional cake, or in English, a gingerbread cake. The cake is crunchy from the outside and soft and moist from the inside, and it's one of the most easiest cake recipes I know. Let's start. The batter is in the cake tin, and now we're going to bake this cake for about 70 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. And now it's time to taste it. It's a bit crunchy on the outside, but really soft and moist on the inside. And the flavor is a gingerbread flavor, which you would have expected. The recipe is enough for one cake, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my website. It's got a great feature which will do the scaling for you. Thank you for watching this video. The full recipe can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. At my blog and at my channel you can find over 100 delicious recipes that are all easy to prepare. And with one thing in mind, it's a good taste. Bye!